Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to get our country on and review a great song by Alan Jackson called Mercury Blues, written by Casey Douglas and another gentleman named Robert Giddens. Mercury Blues peaked at number 2 on the Hot Country Songs charts in 1993. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes. You'll find my music there. What we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great country song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through this great song, you're going to need to know 4 chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is a D major. You're going to need to know a G chord. There's a bar chord. It's a B minor bar chord. And finally, an A. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Mercury, Lord, I'm crazy about Mercury. Gonna buy me a Mercury, cruising up and down the road. Well, the girl I love stole it from a friend. He got lucky and stole it back again. She heard he had a Mercury. Lord, she's crazy about Mercury. Gonna buy me a Mercury, cruising up and down the road. So fine, driving around in the Mercury 49, crazy about a Mercury. Lord, I'm crazy about a Mercury. Gonna find me a Mercury, cruising up and down the road. Well, my baby went out, didn't stay long. Bought herself a Mercury, come cruising on home. She's crazy about a Mercury. Yeah, she's crazy about a Mercury. Gonna buy me a Mercury, cruise it up and down the road. Bring it down! Well, if I had money, tell you what I do. Go downtown, buy a Mercury or 2. Crazy about a Mercury. Lord, I'm crazy about a Mercury. Gonna buy me a Mercury, cruise it up and down the road. Gonna buy me a Mercury, cruise it up and down the road. I'm gonna buy me a Mercury, cruise it up and down the road.
Alright, let's get to the chord progression of this great song. There's really not much in the way of a bridge to this song, and for that matter, there's not much in the way of a chorus. There is a tagline that you repeat several times in the song, that I'm going to buy me a Mercury and cruise it up and down the road. But that's incorporated at the end of each verse. So really, this song is made up solely of verses, and that makes it so much easier to play. With that said, let's get to the chord progression. The song basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. Well, if I had money, I'd tell you what I'd do. I'd go downtown, buy a Mercury or two. Crazy about a Mercury, but I'm crazy about a Mercury. Gonna buy me a Mercury and cruise it up and down the road. And that's it. That simply repeats through the entire song. Very, very easy to play, learn, and have fun with. There you have it, Mercury Blues by Alan Jackson. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.